Hi, my name is Saurabh. I am the CIO of Kent RO Systems Limited. We are a household brand in India and the largest water purifier manufacturers. We currently command 40% market share and are also into manufacturing of air purifiers, vacuum cleaners, and home appliances. Just to give you the scale of operation at Kent RO Systems, we manage approximately 4 million customers, approximately 10,000 service and installation requests. There are 1,500 distributors who do transactions with us on a regular basis, as well as 800 franchises who work with us. For at enterprise level, we have multiple enterprise applications. For example, an ERP, two CRM installation, and HRMS installation. Previously, we were using enterprise cloud from public cloud, which we are using for deploying these technologies. However, we found that there were some issues regarding the security as well as the uptime of that cloud. At that time, we started looking for alternate solution, and then we shortlisted AWS based on the kind of reputation that they had. We wanted a system which was highly reliable, scalable, and secure. At the time of evaluating other cloud service provider, we preferred AWS because we found that AWS was much more reliable, scalable, and secure. Some of the other features that we liked in AWS that it was not a time-bound contract which we had to sign upfront, and also it allowed us to reduce our cost over a period of time. Once we had shortlisted AWS as the cloud service provider, we started exploring multiple partners who were associated with AWS. At that time, we shortlisted Umbrella as one of the providers who can help us. Umbrella helped us in architecting the entire solution, how we can migrate from our previous cloud provider to AWS. They also helped us in terms of how we can do the licensing part on AWS platform. Their in-depth technical knowledge was really helpful as they could migrate our entire workload from public cloud provider to AWS in just 2 weeks of time. The entire migration was seamless and we didn't find any downtime whatsoever. Their technical team was really helpful in ensuring that all our workloads were up and running without any problem. So it's quite a complex operation which required an infrastructure which was highly scalable, secure, because multiple people will be accessing the platform for various information. Overall impact of this implementation was reduction of IT cost, reduction in IT administration cost, having a secure platform, and 99.99% uptime. All of this has helped us in safeguarding our market leadership position through IT agility. The migration from previous public cloud provider to AWS was seamless and without any issues. Both Umbrella and AWS team currently work as an IT extension of our existing IT team.